Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it, Facebook will be back soon. Facebook is down for required maintenance right now, but you should be able to get back on within a few hours. So how you can fix it? So if you have this error on your iPhone, so first thing you need to check is to check your Wi-Fi connection. So just tap on settings, just go to Wi-Fi, just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. And also you can try to reconnect, so just turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. But if you use cellular data or mobile data, so just check if you turn on here. Also you can try to reconnect it, so just turn off and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off, so it will reset your network. And also another way you can try is just check your Facebook for the latest updates if you also have it. So you can check it in App Store, so just go to App Store, just uh, tap in search, just write here Facebook, and now if you have available updates you will see here update. So also you can try to remove your app from your phone, so just tap on your icon of Facebook and just shake it, move it from left to right, and you will see that every icon becomes shaking. So now you will see remove button here on the left side, so just tap on it and just submit delete app. So just tap on delete app and it will successfully remove it. So after, just go to App Store and just download and install it again on your phone. So, and if you still have this error, so just go to the settings again, just tap on general, just scroll down to reset, just open reset and just choose here reset network settings. So and just submit resetting network settings. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.